everyone, this is the Learning PEARadise, and if you like our videos, please subscribe and give us a thumbs up. Thank you! The Learning PEARadise is the place to be. Play, explore, use art, and read. Come along with us on our learning journey. Play, explore, use art, and read. New videos each and every week. Play, explore, use art, and read. Hey guys, this is the Learning PEARadise. We can learn more about playing, exploring, using art, and reading. And right now, it's time for art. So sis, when you think about the Olympics, what do you think of? Rings. Yes, that's true. That's one thing. But what do you think I was thinking of? I was thinking of medals. Well, yes. I said that. You said that. And that's the reason we have the Olympics, so we can see athletes that compete. Which is why we're going to make our own Olympic medal since we want to be at the Olympics too. So first thing you're going to need is air dry clay, a plastic knife, if you want number 2 and 1. Yes, print it out. And then you're going to need like a Pringles top or just a circle that's about this size. And you'll also need little rubber bands or something that can be a ring. Just pick how many rubber bands you want. All right, first thing, we are gonna open up this clay. Oh! And you have to clear out your work area. All right, that's enough for you. Yeah. Never mind. First, you're gonna make a ball. Okay. And remember to put the top back on when you have air dry clay, because it will air dry. Yeah. You almost fell. Oh. And you're gonna do this, press it down. Like bread? Like you're trying to make pizza. Or like a pancake? Kind of flip it. And we want the size of this, so we're just gonna keep pressing. And you want this and kind of stretching. We have one medal! Yay! Hey guys, because of the type of ribbon we have, we're going to use a rectangle. So then you're going to get a printout number. Press it on there. And that's going to be there for an imprint. And then you're going to make the Olympic rings. You need, how much rings are in the Olympics on? 5. Yeah, you're going to need 5 of them. And press down on your rubber bands. And press down on your rubber bands. I just said that! You told me to. Oh. And now we're going to have to peel it off. So now we have our numbers and our clay, so we're just going to let it air dry and wait until it's finished so we can paint it. If you want to make another one, you can, because we're making another one. And you guys, know it may take a couple of days, but we have a small little hack for you. If it is sunny outside, you can put it out there and it will dry quicker. Hopefully. Over the rainbow. So let's just get ready and see what happens. Let's take these outside. Let's go. Come on. So guys, since we are waiting for our clay to dry, you're going to now make your ribbon, that way you can go through it. So first, you need a person, and it's probably going to be you. Can you move? And I'm just going to show you guys what it should look like, something like this. And make sure it's enough for them to have it on. You're going to need to use Velcro. there are two different types of Velcro. Sis?
So there's fuzzy Velcro and kind of like grassy.
Percolate.
Percolate.
You need both of those pieces of Velcro. Now this one already sticks, so we're just gonna stick it onto it. But that's what you're gonna do, so until your medal's done. So have fun with that. Bye. Alright guys, it's been a whole night and now our medals are finally dry. So we're gonna paint them. You're gonna need some gold paint and silver paint if you're doing number 1 and 2. And if you wanna do bronze for number 3, you can do that. You're also going to need...
And guys, for number 2, you'll need silver. And for number 1, you'll need gold.
And you're going to need a paper towel for your paint, some water in a cup,
They already know all that stuff that they painted before.
And your paintbrush. Alright, let's get started.
And guys, when your medals are dry, you can paint them on the back if you want. If you don't want to, that's okay. I mean, that's okay if you don't want to.
Yeah, but we're going to paint the back side.
Yeah.
So you guys, we are back. And now it's time to assemble our medal because we've done everything. So
And
this
they
is the last
dried.
part. All right, so I have number 2.
And I got number 1 because I was the... You know what? I said it does not matter.
So first you're going to feed the ribbon through.
And then you're just
like this.
And then you're just gonna put it around your nut. If you guys attached it, you done everything.
Great job, everyone. You have made your Olympic medals. I hope you have fun enjoying your medals. So let's be Olympic champions.
Woo!
Don't forget to check out Play, Explore, and Read, all about the Olympics. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoy it. Remember to subscribe and follow us on Instagram and Facebook.